Um, Hello guys. Um, Good morning. How are you doing? I hope I hope that you're doing well and your trading journey is still advancing and you're growing every day. So today is on Thursday. That is date 2 of April, and the time right now is 7:47 a.m. in Nairobi. Um, but in New York time it's 12:47. My name is Lucid Plug, and I am here to, as always, document my journey and to make sure that I am helping those who might wanna be helped, like my brother. So I'm recording this strictly for my brother. Okay, I am also learning, and in this way, I am you also using this as my journal. So this is simply to record what I am anticipating and what I think the market might want to deliver. So if you watched my previous recordings, I had talked about this here, this daily sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. This one here, I've graded it. I also talked about this one here. So what I think is gonna happen is that this one is gonna be used as a breakaway gap, and after observing how these candlestick closed, yesterday's candlestick closed here, just below that consequent encroachment here. The consequent encroachment is the midpoint of that sell side imbalance by side inefficiency. So we have already used that, and when we see candlesticks closing below closing with their bodies below that consequent encroachment, what we know that we are strongly bullish. You saw what happened when today today's candlestick opened at 6 p.m. 6:04 p.m. In New York time. That is Eastern time. You see what happened here? We just I read the open here. Price price was pushed to this buy side but this buy side liquidity here, took it out and was pushed lower. There's no algorithm. Ah, and maybe you're here to see whether I'm doing good or not. I don't give a fuck about you. I'm doing good, man. I've been doing good. God damn. Um, so just remember, guys, that this journey is personal, and that I am not here to don't trying to get attached to anything on this journey. Make sure that you are able to do this alone. Okay, just make sure that at the end of it all, it's you and your laptop and or your monitor, or it's you and your chart, nothing else. Okay, so we use this one here. We're strongly bearish. See that there? I was looking at this one here. We don't be afraid to use volume imbalances with the inversion perspective of them. So we close here on Monday. We close above that, just above this volume imbalance. It's a new week opening up, and price was pushed higher to these here. You see how this kind of stick closed just above that new week opening up here. I knew we was bullish. So on Wednesday, we were supposed to come fill this imbalance here, Check out this buy side liquidity here, this one here. So my target is this here, this sell side liquidity here, and I am also looking at how price will use this week here. So that's a very very crucial area. And yeah, I simply want to look for lower prices on gold. Don't forget that we have NFP, and we have very very high impact news events on today and tomorrow. Tomorrow we have NFP, and also next week. Remember, this is what happens when the week is when the month is on its start. So I simply want to see how price will use these here and these buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency here to deliver lower. So they're gonna be used as an inversion fair value gap zone here. It's a buy side fair value gap. So these here, these lows here, they're gonna be targeted. I will wanna grade this one here just to make sure that I am seeing how these will be used. So you have them, but no, right now I'm not gonna have them right now. But you will have them later when price is about to approach this sell side week. Remember, weeks are also treated as imbalances. And so that's it. Have a good day. And if I feel like I want to talk something out, I will definitely do that. Thank you.